Today I will show you how to make the eyelash. Do you know how to make this from the PVC film? Today I will show you the laser cutting machine. You can see here is the finished production. You can see very detailed from here.
这个一个情况，我给材料打的比较多。